Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I decide to do a part 1 of this video, sorry, my camera battery died, so I don't know how much you saw, but basically I had two Dooney and Burke boxes that I have here, and these are amazing. Okay, so here's one of the things I got that I had already unboxed. So this is, once again, sorry if you're seeing it again, but this is the Dooney and Burke, the Shiny It well, here you go, it says right here, large zip shopper / large wristlet. Let's see if you can see that. Yes, you can. So here it is. You get to see it without the wrapping, and it just needs to be stuffed, but I love this bag. It has a zippered collar, 2 slip pockets on the front, 1 zip in the back, and another slip. And here's the fun part. The wristlet. Yes, this is the large wristlet that comes with it, and I just love this thing. And it just has a slip pocket, so love it. And like I said, I don't know how much you guys saw, but I'll show it to you again real quick. This is the clear Dooney and Burke large shopper, something like that, but these are great for on the go. That's what I'm going to use it for. Whenever I need to return something, or if I need to carry something that might have water in it, I love this. And you just stuff it and it'll stay in the shape you want. Has a Sierra leather trim. This is so cute. Real quick, once again, I don't know what you saw, but this is the Dooney and Burke large framed purse in the Greta print in navy. This is so cute. I've always wanted this, but it has the inside Sierra leather trim. It's really dark. I know you can't see well, but there's 6 card slots, and I love this. It actually looks more brown in person, like I said before, but I love the brown color, but I also love navy, so that works out. But yeah, like I said, go watch 2 Hot Taz video. That's T-O and then H-O-T and then T-A. She did a review on this. That's what kind of turned me on this bag is she did a really good presentation. This is even better in person. The colors, like, it's hard to describe, but I think one of the reasons why I got it, and it's like, you guys know when you buy something, you make that purchase and it really reminds you of something you had when you were a kid. And I haven't heard anybody talk about this, but it's like, you know, you're thinking it in certain bags. These colors remind me of, remember the brand Lisa Frank? I know some of you guys might, but look it up. They're known for they have the best vibrant colors. So I used to buy that stationery when I was a kid and all the items, and it really reminds me of this, but overall this bag I really like. It is so shiny, and it's more thick than the regular coated cotton, like the ones they call just coated cotton, but this is what that is, but it's thicker. But like I said, if you stuff it, it'll go into the right shape, don't worry. And it's like a large bag, so it's a little large for me, but I really like it. It is heavy. It's heavier than if you got like the straight coated cotton, but that's okay. I can use this for anything. So like I said, there's what I got. And like I said, this is just, like I said, again, this is made out of just plastic. But yeah, I hope moving's going well. I'm just packing ahead of time, like I said before, that way, because I'm moving in about a week and a half. So, and like I said, I'll take a tour of the house I'm in, and so I'm just packing up everything that I'm not using, like some of my Dooneys. But I don't know if you guys saw this in part 1, but I'll show it to you again real quick. With the big shopper, look what came with it. I had never seen this. This is a dust bag. I've never seen it in this color, and this is what Lori the Poodoo doll got with her purchase. But guess what? I got two in one box just for that. And what was really funny was when I was packing today, I was packing all my Dooneys, putting them in the dust bags. I knew before that I'd thrown out a couple because I don't always use them. I don't use them for all my bags because I'm just okay with that. But for moving, I need some. I'm like, yes, thank you. I get to have some extra ones so that I can transport them well. So yeah, like I said, and thank you guys to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for taking the time to just watch my fun videos. Another thing is I've always been interested in doing vlogs, but I've just been tentative because as rampant as it is on YouTube, trolls are very rampant, and that it just would be hard to take all the, there's you hear people talk about in their vlogs, it's just trolls, and you look at that, it means somebody who they nitpick, like, well, why did you buy that bag, that looks ugly with you, it's stuff like that. So, and I know that it's like you're not supposed to take criticism, take it to heart, but it really does, in the back of my head it really does. So I don't know, maybe someday I do vlogs, maybe I won't, I'm not sure, but I would like to. So let me know if you have any suggestions to deal with that crap. I don't know, I know you could block people, but yeah, but thank you so much for being a part of my channel and being a new subscriber. That really means a lot to me. I love connecting with you guys. But yeah, I think that's it. But I'll keep you guys up to date on my moving situation. And yep, that should be it. Don't forget to like the video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.